Hi, I'm Ben. I'm an embedded software engineer here at EDNA, where we make custom electronics. Today, I'd like to introduce our new advanced Linux platform for AI-capable applications called ALPACA. Our ALPACA demo shows what practical edge AI can deliver, as all AI models run directly on the device at the edge rather than in the cloud. There's no need for cloud connectivity, no recurring data costs, and you gain low latency, strong reliability, and enhanced privacy. And even though ALPACA is designed for AI-capable applications, it's a solid basis for modern, responsive HMIs based around Yocto Linux that we can integrate in your custom electronics. Let me walk you through the two demos. First, Vision AI. A webcam looks at a ruler on a dial. A MobileNet V2-based neural network predicts the angle in about 20 milliseconds, fully accelerated on the IMX93 MPU. That angle controls the motor, and the AI vision model remains accurate even when lighting conditions change. Second, the motor anomaly detection capable of running completely on the Cortex-M. To simulate an anomaly, a friction knob lets us apply extra load to the belt. The on-device model detects this change immediately. To show that the system can learn locally, we use a small servo to change the base situation and apply a fixed friction level, and we retrain the model directly on the hardware. Once the new baseline is learned, removing the servo is detected as an anomaly, and adding even more friction through the knob is recognized just as well. These demos highlight how ALPACA combines AI-capable Linux platform with hardware-accelerated AI and efficient on-device training, all without relying on cloud infrastructure. With ALPACA and Edge AI, we have exciting new tools in our toolbox, and if you'd like to explore how they can help you in your new product and how we can integrate them, we'd like to talk.